Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you doing good and I'm doing good too. Today's recipe is kalmas, an evening snack. It's very simple. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. So let's get started. For that, I'm starting with the masala first. So first heat a pan, add some oil, add crushed ginger, curry leaves and chilli, salt them. Now I'm adding 2 medium sized onion chopped, finely chopped. Give a nice mix. Salt well, not until it turns golden brown because we need to get the bite. At this point I'm adding some salt. Salt to taste, give a nice mix again. After which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt well. All these masalas I'm adding one by one and giving a nice mix so that it gets mixed up well. So now at this point I'm going to add garam masala. You can add half a teaspoon or 2.5 measured. Okay, and give a nice mix. Garam masala. After that I also add pepper powder. Pepper powder is completely optional. If you are a person who likes spices, add pepper powder, chili powder, everything. So as it is Kashmiri chili powder, it's not spicy, it just gives the color. Sort well, and now let's add egg. So I am also adding egg here directly, not beating it. You can add the same masala using coriander powder for chicken fillings. Now I'm using egg, so add egg and give a nice mix again. Let the egg get mixed well with this. So now at this point the salt I've added before is all perfectly fine, so I'm not going to add any more salt. So this masala is ready. Keep it aside, let it cool. At this point I'm also adding some chopped coriander leaves. It's nice flavoring for this masala. Okay, just mix it. For ground paste, take a jar, 1 cup of coconut grated, 5 to 6 shallots, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon cumin seeds. Grind them. This is for ground mix. Now it's ready. Keep it aside. Now let's make the, see, this is how it is. Now let's take a bowl. This is 2 cup of rice powder roasted. To this add the ground paste. Give a nice mix. Add some salt. Okay, your salt for taste because this is only for this batter, not like a batter. Okay, now this is hot water, 1 mug. Not be using everything together. Add little by little and mix them gradually. Okay, so I'll show you what has to be the consistency, not more like a batter, it's a dough. Okay, so this is ready. I have not used full water. This is how it is. You can see the water is still balanced. So this is how the consistency is. Make a small balls out of this, and before making, apply some oil on your palm. Make some flat balls like this. Now add the fillings inside this. Okay, I have used egg filling. You can use any filling of your choice. Add slowly, and you have to attach the ends. The sticking part is very important because if it breaks, then all the masalas that is filled in will be out. So it shouldn't be breakable. Just give an attachment like this. So I've made some like this shapes, some I've made into balls like this. That was convenient. Now we have to steam cook this for 20 to 25 minutes. For me it took 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm making a batter ready, a masala, another frying masala ready. It's 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, chopped coriander and curry leaves, some water to make some paste over it. Make paste like this. This step you can completely avoid if you are to give for your kids, because this is just to make a shallow fry with the steam cooked snack. You can consume it without doing this step. Okay, so this has to be the consistency of the masala just for dipping it. Now this is ready. Let's do shallow fry. Take a pan, add some oil, required amount of oil, just give a mix like this and fry it. Keep changing the sides one by one like this. Just have to make sure that the masala taste is completely mixed with this. Okay, just have to do that. Keep flipping side by side, make sure every part is cooked. Here cooking is not important, just the masala has to be cooked. Okay, now this is ready. Very simple, an evening snack. Try it out. If you like my video, please like it, share my video, leave your valuable comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until I see you with my next video, take care. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.